Why don't we tell you about calculus? Sure, but we don't do it on abacus.
What?
The derivative of arctangent u is u prime over 1 plus u squared, and that's true.
Use the washer method to find the volume. We'll find it so fast you'll hear
Zoom!
it's pi in front of the integral of f squared minus g to the second.
Out minus in.
Solve and you'll get your answer, but this is expected.
Sometimes you get a limit infinity. For an indeterminate form, you have to solve it differently. Use L'Hopital's rule to differentiate the top and the bottom.
No quotient rule.
Plug it in again, and the answer, you caught it.
Why don't we tell you about calculus? Sure, but we don't do it on an abacus.
Okay.
The integral of cosecant squared u is negative cotangent u plus c, and that's true.
Set the derivative equal to 0, and let's begin. Solve for the x values and for a possible min. Plug in the test values within your range, and then look for a sign change.
When you have a graph of f prime, you can find things for f just fine. If f prime slope happens to be a negative, f is concave down, this is repetitive.
Are the MVPs and we know the MVT. We're looking for C, the point between A and B. It's just how we roll. We're at the absolute extrema for our awesomeness. This beat is a point of inflections, increasing, decreasing. It's all relative. Maximum, minimum, positive, negative. Let C be the critical number of a function. Don't have a function.
Why don't we tell you about calculus? Sure, but we don't do it on an abacus.
What?
The derivative of sine u is cosine u times u prime, and that's true.
Come on everybody, let's cheer.
Woohoo!
Because you have nothing to fear. Since you know all of the rules, you won't look like a fool. Now that we told you about calculus.
Don't get into any more accidents.
What?
On the AP test, you're gonna get a 5.
This is no limits. Hope y'all thrive.